2 months and I haven't uploaded a single video on YouTube. Reason being internship. Now, as this month is ending, I just realized that I'll soon graduate. Like 5 years gone. So through this video, I thought to share my 5 thoughts on my 5 years of law school journey. Thoughts as in the priorities one should have in their law school life, or I should have had it in my law school. When I joined my law school, I had a very contracted state of mind, be it socially or intellectually. You name it. You could call it my good luck that I became friends with people who pushed me beyond my comfort zone, like as in good way. So the number one priority is to be around with people who are very good, kind, and push you to go beyond your comfort zone. Again, in a very good way, I'm telling. Now, the second priority is to balance your curriculars and co-curriculars. One side says that marks doesn't matter. A single sheet of paper cannot decide your future. Maybe true, probably true, who knows? And you would find one side who says that mark does matter. Make sure that your CGPA is beyond 9, absolute 10. It will do wonders, and probably it would do wonders. The main issue here is that the two sides exist and people get influenced. So what one should prioritize is that they shouldn't let this debate hamper their law school life. The ideal scene could be to solely focus on your grades in first to 4 semesters. And after 4 semesters, if you have made up your mind that you are hell-bent to go into academics, you could actually go and want to work on your ACATs or your CGPA, your grades. Or if you're not hell-bent to go to academics or LLM and you have other goals in your hand, then your goal should be to score decently and compensate it by doing co-curricular achievements. The basic goal is to make sure that you have your mental peace with you. Now coming to the third point, that is fighting insecurities. And it's probably the toughest one. When I was in my 4th year, I was severely depressed because I was not getting any tier 1 internship. I was having fear that if I would ever get a job, and these are pretty legit reason to think about. But the main issue here is to control these thought process and do not let it hamper your day-to-day activities or your day-to-day goal or your objective. The time that I spent thinking these issues, I could have used those time to be more productive, probably publishing as many paper as I could in big short portals. Now my fourth observation is online courses. Now after COVID pandemic, online courses has become very popular, and we have seen the kind of courses that are being sold online. While some are free of cost, some are very economical, and some are very costly, probably 50 to 60,000 rupees for a course. Now there is two way to go for it. Either do internship at not so glamorous law firms. See, even if you do a course online, it will take you a month or 2 to complete it. Rather, you should go and apply for not so glamorous law firm where your internship application would get accepted and you would get to learn all these aspects there. And alternatively, if you got money, you can go and buy some economical courses as well by reading the reviews and talking to the people who took their courses beforehand. And finally, about the costly course, I think it would be a good course. It has to be a very good course to justify that cost. Now, if you got money, you can go for that course, not an issue. But if you do not have that money, you do not have that budget, then probably leaving that course shouldn't bring sadness to you. Do not get discouraged to not have that course. I still remember that I didn't know a thing about trademark law, and the course costed around 30 to 40,000 rupees. So what I did was that I interned under a trademark attorney and learned the nuances of trademark filing. While the course was of 6 months, I learned all these things in the matter of 1 month. So any day, internship is greater than any online courses. But online courses are not the bad thing to go for. Even I did some online courses. You can check out my LinkedIn to know more about my career approach. And now coming to my 5th token of advice, and that is to enjoy your college life. The place you bitch about right now would be the place that you will miss a lot, like a lot. So that's it. Here were my 5 tokens of thought of my 5 years of law school journey. In case this video gave any value to you, you can hit the like button, and in future if you would want to see more such content, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.